I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but this is the reason why you never put yourself in a predicament that you can't get out of. Yeah, they got me locked in too, but I'm not going nowhere for the night. As you see, that truck driver was screwed up. And what you don't see, these people still coming in here driving all stupid. But don't ever get yourself in a predicament that you can't get out of. Now, what you didn't see was that Swift been here maybe 2 hour tops. If you weren't gonna be here for the night, I don't even think you had no reason to being back here. But do what you want. If I knew I wasn't gonna be here for the night, I would have never came back here. But then again, that's just me. Gary the truck driver. Gonna look at some more of this beautiful bean footage, I guess. This right here is right in front of me. As you can see, it's right in front of me. This is real stupid. Real stupid. And as you can see, or not see, that he is struggling to get in. He can barely get in. He can barely get in. Why? Because some stupid, crazy truck driver decided to park all stupid. And now he's struggling to get in. This is ridiculous. This is real ridiculous. When you see truck drivers or any kind of truck stop like this, it's not even worth coming to. Just keep on going. Sleep on the side of the road, sleep on the shoulder, sleep on the ramp, sleep somewhere, but not in a crazy truck stop like this. This is not even worth it. Gary the truck driver. Out. Keep trucking, guys.